Hey guys, I'm super excited and proud to announce the brand new Braille Skateboarding app. I built this app to achieve the purpose of Braille Skateboarding, which is spreading skateboarding all over the world. This app was designed specifically for you to have a place where there's a supportive community where you can post your skateboard tricks, get help with tricks you're having problems with, watch tutorial videos, learn new tricks, get better at skateboarding, and then turn around and do that for other people. Tell other people, hey, do the same thing I did, and have people follow your journey. I think it's so cool. I think it's awesome. If you learn how to skate, it's going to inspire somebody else. You'll get them skating, and we'll just keep it going. Let's jump right into the app. Alright, so here's my iPhone. I open up the app, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on that second icon there, which is going to say sign in to continue. I will click on sign in to continue. Click on sign in with Apple. I already have my Face ID set up there, so it's very fast. Now I'm going to pick my username. This is the username for the Braille app itself. I'll just pick a random name that nobody really knows because I already set up my account. So just for the purpose of making this video, we'll set it up as, Lance Silber. Then I click OK. Now my account is set up. I'm going to click that top right button, go to my profile, click on the image. So let's choose a really nice selfie here. Maybe something with a nice colored background. How about that green one? That looks really nice. Matches my eyes. Great, so we're gonna size that photo up. Click it in there, pops right in. Wow, that photo's looking good. Close out on that screen, and here we go to my profile. I'm gonna click Edit Profile, give a little bit about myself. Well, after all, I am the skate god. I've been skating since, let's see, 1600s maybe? Let's try. Oh, no, that's too early. It doesn't like that. Doesn't like that date. 1800s? Nope. 1858, it's not going to work. How about 1993? That was a good year. Yeah. Okay, location Mars, which is apparently in France. So we're going to go ahead and choose France there. And I am skating Goofy. So let's go ahead and choose on Goofy, click Save, and then that's update my profile. Bada boom, bada bing. There we are. I'm going to scroll down, and yes, of course I have a video part. Of course I would want to put that in. So I just simply go to YouTube, search Lance Silber video part, and pull that up. This is like how to make a fake account for Lance. Don't make a fake account for Lance. I guess you can't because I already did. But you're gonna copy the link to that video, and you're gonna put the link to that video right here and add YouTube URL. You're going to paste that link, push down, and then click Update Skate Part, and boom, there's your skate part. Now, your full profile is complete. Well, kind of, because you see it says 0 unranked. So I'm going to update my ranks. This is a really cool page. It says all tricks on top, and then you can go down to the different levels of tricks. You'll see next to each trick is a star. That star is how many points are there. I can filter this by kickflip. So I want to search for the kickflip. Then when I click on beginner, the only thing that comes up is kickflip. And then I'm going to go, I can do this regular and fakie and nollie, but switch I don't got. So we're going to leave switch out. So that gave me 5 points. So I go back, check my score there, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to put in the rest of the tricks. Backside 180, I got regular and fakie. Let's see what else we got here. Drop in on a ramp. I think Lance can only drop in regular. We'll click regular. Frontside 180, regular and fakie. Update. So you see how I'm just going through and clicking on all of the tricks that I know how to do, and it's automatically going to add up my points, which is going to give me my rank in the Braille Army. It's to push you to learn more tricks, to progress in your skating, get better, push harder, work harder, do more, increase your rank in the Braille Army, get stoked, have more fun skating than you've ever had in your entire life. So yes, it can be a little bit tedious going through all of the tricks, but luckily you only need to do it once, and then every time you learn a new trick, you can just simply come back here, search it, go to the trick, put it in, and update your bio, especially for people who know a lot of tricks. I bet this took Johnny Geiger a long time to enter all of his tricks. You can also filter this. You can say yet to learn, which will give you all of the tricks that you can't do any of it. Partially learned tricks. So if you have like the regular and fakie but not the switch, that will show up in the partially learned tricks just like that. Or you can go to the tricks that you've completed, which will give you every stance, which for Lance is the tail stall on a ramp, because you cannot do a tail stall in nollie, because, you know, that would be a no stall, not a tail stall, right? Okay, boom. Now that we've got that in, we're going to share our first post. So we're going to click right here on the share your first post. It's the same thing. Just take that YouTube link, put it in there, put in your little message, I like skate, publish, and boom, there is your video. Great. So then you can go back to the feed. When you hit the feed, that gives you videos of people that you follow. You can go on those videos. You can leave a comment. I remember this, heart. Yeah, it's really cool. You can comment on people's videos and, you know, help them out. Throw them a bone. Some people will say, hey, I really need help learning how to kickflip, and you can get on there and say, move your feet like this, do your feet like that, etc. Okay, jumping into the map. So we're going to go over, let's check out Australia. I hear Australia is very nice this time of year, and we'll go down. We will find somebody that's similar to me. Okay, 43 points, Staff Sergeant. Some guy. I love it. And you can click on follow. So I'm going to give that person a follow. And I'm going to check out what tricks they know how to do. I think it's pretty cool because you can find people that are at a similar level to you. You can follow them. And then as they post tricks, that can stoke you out to learn more tricks. Or if they post like, I need help with this trick, you can also help them with that trick, right? Cool, so we have this really cool feature called Braille Army Plus, which is the middle icon of those bottom 5 on the bottom. This is the membership platform. You can click right there. It says you're all set. And then bada boom, bada bing. This is the members only video section. This is where you have every single volume of Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. It's all broken up into chapters. When I went through all of the reviews, I pretty much read every single review Braille Skateboarding has ever had on any platform anywhere. And most of the reviews were about, they wanted Skateboarding Made Simple, very easily accessible on the phone. And they wanted all the chapters broken up. So here you see how it works. You just go to the video you want, click on it, goes like that, turn your phone for full screen, learn the kickflip. Turn it back and you're out of full screen, and then you can click that X and come out of that video right there. Go back. Back is in the top left-hand corner, that little arrow. And then you can go to whichever other Skateboarding Made Simple you want to learn. You want to learn manuals, grinds and slides, skate park basics, etc. Or the advanced tricks. These are like some of the hardest tricks ever, I swear. So after Skateboarding Made Simple, you can come out of that. You can go to the Braille courses. This is how to teach another person how to skateboard. I had to include that. This is how to film a video. It's really talking in those series about the cameras. This is editing, learning editing. I think it's really important for skaters specifically to know how to film and edit and to run YouTube. We'll put a lot more courses on here. We'll do a TikTok course, whatever kind of courses you guys want. We'll get your feedback. But yeah, I'm really excited about the courses and the Skateboarding Made Simple because I love teaching. Then we have this, which is exclusive content. That's videos that we are going to make that will not be on YouTube ever. They only go onto the app, only for Braille Army Plus members. And then you get all kinds of discounts in the shop, all kinds of cool little perks. You can check out that video to see all of them. Then there's this new series that I started because I'm really trying to get brand new people into skateboarding. And I'm trying to figure out the absolute best way So in this, it's me basically taking you through, as your skateboard coach, through all of the basic tricks in Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 1. I'm really excited about that. I think it works really well. Cool, back to my profile. After you learn new tricks from Skateboarding Made Simple, go back, update your rank, and then go ahead and see this little button right here. You can click on that. It'll download this to your camera roll, and then go to Instagram, TikTok, whatever other social media platforms you're on, and post it and say, dude, check out the Braille Army app. Let's go. We got to teach the whole world how to skateboard. And then come back on here. There is a world leaderboard. This does show all of the top points. We will be doing some sort of a verification situation, probably looking at people's video parts that they post. But for right now, we're on the honor system. So I'm not sure that every single one of these people know every single one of those tricks. But hey, yeah, do put into your profile the tricks that you do know. It's super cool. There are no skate contests running right now. And then, of course, you have access to the Braille shop at any time right there through the app, which, yes, we have everything you need in order to learn how to skateboard. Thank you so much. Okay, so I know I ran through that, just like trucking on through that. But the basic idea of this whole app is that yes, you can learn how to skateboard. And then once you do learn how to skateboard, you can turn around and help another person learn how to skateboard. You can find a person on the other side of the planet who's learning how to skateboard, and you can find that person that's at the same level as you. You guys are both working on frontside 180s, backside 180s, whatever it is, and then you can post videos, they can post videos, you can follow them, you can see their videos, you can write, hey, this is what I did, it really helped me, and you guys can both learn together. So it's super cool because we're building a worldwide community of skateboarders that are helping each other learn. We're supporting brand new people to get into skateboarding. I'm super, super stoked on all of the new skaters. So let's keep this going. You guys can kind of see how it rolls and how this app helps to achieve the purpose of Braille skateboarding. I'm super stoked to see you on the app learning new tricks. Let's go.